Speak, Listen, Hub. Talk show.
Hello. You look happy today.
Hi. I feel very happy.
Did you have a good morning?
Yes, it was a nice day.
I like this restaurant a lot.
Me too. It's very calm.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes. I am very hungry.
What do you want today?
I want to try spaghetti.
Spaghetti looks very good here.
Yes, it smells really nice.
Do you eat spaghetti often?
No, only once a week.
I eat it many times.
Do you cook it yourself?
Sometimes I cook it alone.
That is very good, really.
What do you eat at home?
I eat rice, fish, and bread.
That sounds very healthy.
Yes, I try to eat well.
Do you like pizza too?
Yes, I love pizza nights.
What kind of pizza exactly?
I like cheese and olives.
I like pepperoni and mushrooms.
Do you eat pizza every week?
No, maybe just once monthly.
I eat pizza on Fridays.
That is a great tradition.
Food makes life feel joyful.
I agree, very much so.
What is your favorite meal?
I love biryani. It's amazing.
Oh yes. I like biryani too.
My mom makes the best biryani.
I want to try it someday.
I can bring it next time.
That would be very nice.
Do you eat desserts often?
Yes, I love sweet things.
What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate ice cream.
I like mango ice cream more.
Mango is good on hot days.
Yes. So cold and fresh.
Do you eat outside often?
Only once or twice monthly.
I come here every Saturday.
Really? You like this place?
Yes. It feels like home.
That is a sweet thought.
I bring my sister sometimes too.
What does she like here?
She eats chicken sandwiches usually.
That sounds like a good choice.
Yes, she is simple and sweet.
What drink do you like here?
I like lemon water and tea.
I always order fresh juice.
Juice is good in the summer.
Do you like spicy food too?
Not too spicy, just medium.
I like spicy food a lot.
Maybe I will try one day.
I can order spicy for you.
Just one bite maybe, not more.
Ha ha. Okay, one small bite.
I'm laughing already. Thank you.
Do you cook with your mom?
Yes, every weekend we cook.
What do you two cook?
We cook soup and rice together.
That must feel very special.
Yes, I like cooking with family.
My dad teaches me to cook.
Oh, that is really cool.
We make pancakes on Sundays.
I want pancakes right now.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
That's my usual breakfast too.
Do you drink coffee in morning?
No, I drink milk or tea.
Tea is good for the heart.
Yes, and it feels relaxing.
What do you eat for lunch?
Mostly rice, lentils, or sandwiches.
I like rice and vegetables too.
Do you eat snacks after lunch?
Yes, I eat nuts or fruit.
That's very healthy and smart.
I try not to eat chips.
But chips taste so good.
I know. I eat sometimes.
I like chocolate biscuits too.
Me too. I love chocolate.
Chocolate is always a good idea.
Especially with tea in winter.
Did you try Italian food before?
Yes, pasta and lasagna are delicious.
I like lasagna very much too.
I want to learn that recipe.
We can learn it together someday.
That sounds like a good plan.
Do you watch cooking shows sometimes?
Yes, every Sunday with my mom.
I like food videos on YouTube.
They are fun and helpful.
Are you full now already?
Yes, this spaghetti is perfect.
I'm happy you like it.
I'm happy to be here too.
Food is better with good company.
Yes, and you're very good company.
That makes me feel really glad.
You have a kind heart.
Thank you. You're kind too.
Kindness is better than salt.
Will you eat dinner at home?
Yes, with my family tonight.
That sounds very peaceful.
What about your dinner tonight?
Maybe soup or light salad.
Salad is a good choice.
With lemon, salt, and olive oil.
I will try that tomorrow.
Let's share recipes someday, okay?
Yes. That would be so nice.
Food really brings people together.
And it tells many stories.
I want to hear your stories.
I'll tell them over dinner.
A dinner with family and smiles.
And with warm hearts and soup.
I like how you talk.
I like how you listen.
I hope we eat together again.
Yes. Let's meet next week.
Same day, same table maybe?
Same food, or something new.
Let's try something new next time.
Like biryani or lasagna maybe.
Or maybe something sweet instead.
Yes, we forgot dessert today.
I'll bring chocolate next time.
Then I will bring tea.
Tea and chocolate? Perfect match.
Just like good friends, right?
Yes. Like very good friends.
Or like lunch and laughter.
This was a beautiful lunch.
Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for your kindness.
Will you message me later?
Yes, after dinner I will.
I will wait for that.
Okay. Enjoy the rest of today.
You too. Stay warm tonight.
Always with your sweet words.
You are very easy to talk.
That's because you're easy to trust.
Thank you. I feel that too.
One last sip of water now.
Let's pay and then go.
I already paid. It's done.
What? Really? That's so kind.
A gift for good conversation.
Then next time, I will pay.
Deal! I will remember that.
This was a special lunch.
Yes, one I will not forget.
Let's take a photo together.
Yes, before the light goes.
Smile big, say spaghetti.
Spaghetti. And you look lovely.
Thank you. So do you.
Now I must say goodbye.
Me too. See you soon.
Yes, very soon, inshallah.
Inshallah. Have a peaceful evening.
You too. Be safe and happy.
Always. And you take care.
I'll message after dinner, okay?
I'll wait with my tea.
Tea and your smile, perfect.
Spaghetti and this talk, perfect.
Let's do this again soon.
I'd love that, really.
Bye for now, kind soul.
Bye for now, good friend.
Keep smiling like the sun.
And you stay warm like soup.
Ha! That was a good one.
I'll write it in my journal.
And I'll remember it always.
Next lunch, same smiles again?
Same smiles, same warmth, yes.
Deal. Until next delicious time.